In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine Keep Screen On and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then choose OK in a welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. Lastly, you can close your app and go into Tab menu. Select this pen at the bottom right corner and look for a Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your current shortcuts. Place it wherever you want to, let go, go back, and last but not least, click on it to activate it. You can switch it off by tapping again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!